Hello, hi everyone. This is Esther Bill. Today we are going to cook bed. Let's make a tour first outside. We have a little rain. As I said before, each season have something specific to bless us with. It's a modern nature. It's a little bit rain that will grow flower, that will feed the ground to bring something beautiful from the nature, and then which complete us. Okay, let's go to. I will give you a little tour. We have a fireplace here. We are going to make a nice outdoor cooking. I'm going to make a Togolese grilled chicken with jenkume later. Okay, here we come. We have crocuses here, and then we have pansies here. It's raining to feed them, to feed the flowers so the flower can grow. Let's go to the garden. Yeah, we have parsley, in French, persil. Il y a du persil ici. Parsley, dill, and then spinach. And then we have lettuce, different kind of lettuce, ou bien de salade. Il y a de différentes sortes de salade. And we have again here, we have spinach, and we have lettuces, salad, different sortes de salade. And here we have garlic. Garlic. Comment on appelle même garlic? And then we have a peach tree that will grow later. It has a bud. Later that will grow to become peach. We will eat la pêche. Okay.
Roll tape.
Okay. Hello, everybody. This is Esther Bill. I'm inviting you to outdoor cooking. I want to do outdoor cooking because it's not every time we have to be stuck inside cooking with oven, and the weather is nice. We can improvise anytime and cook outside and make it fun. Okay, today we are going to make a chicken from my place, Togo. We call it a koklo meme, or grilled chicken. So here is the chicken. I'll take it. We find anything we can find outside to make it become a meal. Okay, I put the chicken here. I have these machetes, ou bien machete, and this wood is ebony wood. I have a very good friend. We have a family friend. This friend make these machetes by himself. He cut the wood and took the machetes and put it together to make it like this. So I'm going to use it to cut the chicken. It's outside. Anything we find outside, we can use it for a table or to cook with it. It's raining, but hey, it's raining, but still we can cook in the rain. We don't have to be scared because it is raining. Let's whack it. We are not watching the chicken because some people don't eat chicken, but I eat chicken. I love chicken. And then just let hey, what? Okay. This is a bigger pot. I want to take all of this fat away of it. All of this fat has to be all taken away. Okay. Very nice materials. Okay. Now, let us rinse it. I'll take all of this fat away. Okay, like I told you before, I make my own homemade with a fresh ginger. I show you last time. Fresh ginger, garlic, onion, and anise, cloves. I put them together. I blended them and then make my own home paste because I want my seasoning to be very fresh. Fresh, everything fresh. Fresh ginger, fresh garlic, fresh everything, and then I'm going to use the bouillon. I'm not putting salt on it. I'll use bouillon to mix it. Oh, the fresh ginger, fresh garlic, fresh onions, anise, cloves, all of that blend together to season it. The seasoning is so beautiful and powerful. Okay, now we are cooking outside, so we put it here on the grill right here. Later we have to be coming and fix this. Let me put some wood in. Yes, like I say, oh boy, every weather have something specific. We don't have to complain of the weather when it's raining or shining. Look at the water, falling down. That is the rain falling down like a cascade. Look at that. While the pot is nice and dry and the fire is hot. So now I have a friend that cut some wood. I have to build up a fire. I'll bring this here and then move this a little bit away, and then I'll put the wood to build up the fire. And then we put some charcoal. Oh, how beautiful. Cooking outside in the rain, we just need to manage it and enjoy every weather. Okay, the chicken is right here. Hi everyone, let's come back in the kitchen. Cooking with Esther. Okay, now I think the chicken must be almost done. I add a little bit oil in the pan. make sure how we know the oil or the pan is hot is we drop a little bit onion in the pan, and then the onion will let us know later if the oil is hot or not. Okay, now we bring this here. What we are going to cook is called koklo meme. Koklo is poulet in French, is chicken in English. So koklo meme is a Togolese dish. I have to take all of this chicken out of the gravy. And now we are waiting for the oil to get heat up. Okay.
Roll tape.
Do you see? Now it's bubbling off. And 20 minutes later, the sauce. 20 minutes later, the sauce is done. Lucy is bubbling off, and oh, it smells delicious. So now we are going to do something magical with this. Okay. And by the way, the tomato, I use the Don Pepinos tomato sauce, which is a very fresh tomato coming from New Jersey. Okay, now the sauce is done after 20 minutes, and see you soon. Hi, sometimes you have to give a Mother Nature a little help. The cold is going down. In Africa also we know the technology, so we have to give a Mother Nature a little help, because oh you see, Mother Nature needs a little bit of a help so the flame can come up. Ooh. Isn't that beautiful? We need this chicken to be done, so we have to have the Mother Nature for the flame to come up. Oh, how wonderful.
Tape.
Okay, ready, set, hit it. Now, wow, this is the good part. I'm going to take all of this chicken, putting them in the sauce. I'll give a little help. Oh, that's beautiful. And then what we do is you dip it in the sauce. Wow. Koklo meme. You dip it in the sauce. Dip in the sauce. Make sure the sauce cover the chicken very well. Because when it go back on the grill, the taste, the flavor, everything will come together. It is like a, oh my God, the best thing ever.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I don't need the tongue anymore. I will do it faster. So I just make sure when I'm taking the chicken, I make sure the sauce go deep inside, and then we go. The sauce go deep inside. Here we go. You see, it's the whole, but I break in pieces and then to put the sauce into it before I put it on the grill. Okay, perfect. I think the last phase. Okay, we eat this kind of Togolese grilled chicken, koklo meme. We eat it with something we call jenkumen. Jenkumen is, I have to find something to make myself having home food. So I went all over. I found this. This is one thing. I found it's called Indian head. And it is cornmeal, white cornmeal, which is we use back home, we call ewa. Ewa, it is in this one that is perfect to make a jenkumen. Okay, so I'll open it. I'll put some in the pan. I have to put it here, but I have to be stirring it up until it turns brown, okay, to cook the jenkumen later. So see you soon. Okay. The heavy rain.
Yeah.
Now is the monsoon. Now is the heavy rain. It's the monsoon. But still we have to cook. We have to make this drink. Monsoon. Oh, this is right. Now I have to flip it up so it doesn't get burnt. Let me give it a little bit. Give it a little bit. Perfect. That is perfect. Okay. Okay. Now we have to finish the rest. Hi, outside. We are enjoying the rain so far, but the water is rising. You have to learn when it's time to abandon sheep. So we have to retrieve inside because now it's getting a heavy rain. So the rest of the jenkume, and we'll cook it inside, okay? Because the water is getting too much now, so we have to retrieve. Okay, everyone, let's enjoy the rest of the cooking. Okay, I'll put this pot here. I'm going to stir this up until it gets a little bit brown because it's gonna bring kind of different flavor to the Indian head cornmeal. And then what I'm going to do, this is the gravy from the chicken. I will put some of the gravy. I'll put some of the gravy here. And then I'll put the sauce that we use to dip the chicken in. I'll put some of the sauce here because I want it red. And then I'll turn this on, waiting. The time that will start be boiling, this will be ready. It will turn brown, and then I have to use this to cook kind of, we call it akume. Okay, everyone, this, as you saw, it was white before, totally white. Now, if you see, it's getting kind of brownish. You see? It's getting kind of brownish. It's turning color. While it's doing this, do you see? Look at this. It's turning a little bit brown. It has to turn brown until the aroma or the smell is totally different, like a smoky cornmeal. So while I'm doing that, I have to check this and make sure the taste. It needs a little bit. It needs a little bit. I just add a little bit because this one it have to taste a little bit good to be able to eat. So I'll add a little bit, just a little bit salt for the taste. That's good. Not too much salt. And then I'll add a little bit of pepper, black pepper. Okay. And then I'll turn this on low while I'm waiting for. Do you see this? Do you see? This is coming, turning kind of. Do you see this? It's turning brownish. This have to be all together one color, brown, totally brown. That's why you have to keep on mixing it so it doesn't burn. Oh, that's good. Perfect. I think that's enough. It's brown. What I'll do now, I'm going to turn this off. Okay, I turn it off. I'll still be mixing it because I don't want it to be burned. Okay, while I'm doing that, now I'm moving from the stove. Do you see? The color turned totally brown. Okay, I have to make this water a little bit thick. And I need this to just be a little bit thick. So I'll do this. It's like how you make. So do you see this one is just water, but to cook that, I need it to be a little bit thicker. Do you see? It's a little bit thicker. I need that. Okay. Now, I'll be waiting for it until it starts boiling, and then I'll put that inside to cook my akume, or my jinkume. That will go together with the chicken. Okay, this is ready. This is boiling. Now I have to scoop it. I'm not measuring because I don't measure. So what I'm going to do, I have to scoop from here to here and then mix it. Oh, I'm so happy because this is one of my favorite food from back home. And sometimes we have to be happy here, making our own back home food. This is called jenkume. And then we do it, we mix it like this so there is no any kind of bumps, all of that. So we have to do it like this. It doesn't have to be hard. It's just perfect. Okay, I don't need any lumps in it, so that's why I have to do it like this. You see it? Okay, perfect. Now, okay, now I just wait it to a little bit to steam up, and then everything is almost ready. Okay, hi everyone. As you know, we were enjoying in the rain, cooking outdoor on nature, and then later the rain was getting heavier, so we abandoned ship. So we have to bring everything back here to finish it here. Anyway, the chicken we were cooking on the grill outside before, this is a kokromeme. That is how it comes. Remember, we dip it in the sauce and then put it on the grill. This one is the akume or pat or jenkume I was making before. Now, to use some sauce with it, the sauce that I use to make to dip the chicken in and to use part of it for jenkume, and then I put the rest here with onion. Some people like jenkume with sauce, and so I'm using this to make a kind of sauce if somebody want more sauce to go together with it. That is the sauce. So you just take the rest of the sauce here, put sliced onion in it, and then make it more the onion cook a little bit better for people that don't like raw onion. And then hey, there we go. Okay. Oh yes, yes. Thank you guys, everybody, for watching and cooking in my dialect. Koklomeme and jinkume are pot with grilled chicken, as a Togolese. Togolese part and akume and jenkume and koklomeme. Okay, here we go. Now I have to taste it. Yeah, what we do is left. This is the jenkume. Let me call it. Yes, this is the jenkume, and then the grilled chicken. Let me take a nice piece. Very good. And then the sauce that I made at the size Some people like to eat it with the sauce, which is this one. And then I didn't show you, did you see? We eat a hot pepper, a very hot pepper. This one is habanero, Jamaican hot pepper. It's very hot. So we like to eat hot pepper. So I use habanero. I blend it with a tomato, fresh tomato and onion and some salt. Wait, because we like to, which I blend it together to make a hot sauce. So we have to do, I put, for salad, I have this, I have cucumber, some tomato. Okay. Now let me taste it. You know, being far away, sometimes we make our own food and to remember back home and then, hey, to be happy. That is very good. This is the koklomeme, great chicken. This is perfect. Very good. Just to take you straight back home to remember the old time in Togo. With hot pepper. Hot pepper. We call it bese. As we started cooking outside in the rain before, we switch back in. So cooking outside is like a picnic. So to wash this down, I have to wash it down with a Guinness. Okay. Bon appétit. This is beautiful. It's perfect. Thank you for watching.